Welcome to this quick demo video of our latest CASAT assembly station. Everything in this video is sold, implemented or developed by us at H&D Wireless. Here you can see the Atlas Copco integration. It's an open protocol integration that allows you to select preset for the screwdriver based on activities and then store the torque and angle values in the CASAT traceability log. With our CASAT gateway, we provide a plug-and-play integration with Binar's pick-to-light sensors, where you can show the correct number of components to pick and then trigger back to CASAT when it's done. With the gateway, we also provide I/O integration that can be used for tool hangers like this one, or proximity switches, or anything that you want to connect to be able to send signals back to CASAT. With the new input condition, it's easy to scan a box or a batch ID to connect it to the order, the activity, the time, the operator in the CASAT traceability log. Here you can see an integration with the vision camera, so when I hold my hand over the product, it doesn't get the correct value, but when I remove my hand, it confirms that all the assembly is done correctly and it sends me to the next activity. Then I use a turntable fixture to spin the product to the other side where the cobot safely can finish the remaining assembly. The cobot from Universal Robot is also fully integrated with the CASAT, so you can point at different cobot programs, you can receive error messages and you can restart the program from CASAT. We can both sell you the cobot, build everything around it, train you in how to use it in your production, regardless if you have CASAT or not. Our module tables are made with standardized threaded holes on the tabletop that makes it super easy to assemble fixtures and cobots. They're also built on wheels, so you can easily move them around or rebuild your workstation very fast. All Ethernet cables and power sockets are nicely hidden here, so you just have one power cable and one Ethernet cable to the workstation. The 6 scanner divides the station into different zones that make the cobot move slower or stop when you enter it, and then start automatically again when you move out of the zone. All the module tables can be built with adjustable heights for even bigger flexibility.